That's like $900 of the other people. But, you know, for $279, it's a no-brainer. At a quarter the price of the competitors. I had a bunch of customers that I do a lot of leather patch hats, a lot of other engraving stuff. I get a lot of questions about embroidery. So I ended up getting the Ricoma TC 1501 and you know, the hoops that come with it, the old standard hoops. You know, time is money, so just to hoop something with those guys, it just, you know, I said, hey, I need to get some of those magnetic hoops. Looking around, I was like, man, oh man, the main magnetic hoop that's out there. And I was like, old pocketbook was burning. And right before I pulled the trigger on it, I said I was going to sleep on it. And I got up the next morning and just all of a sudden this website popped up. It's called Magnetic Hoop. I was looking at the prices. I was like, wow, wait a minute, hold up. Is this too good to be true? Is this some type of scam or what? So I kept looking through, and I mean, they support all the major brands. Their hooping station ends up being about a quarter the price of the competitors. And so I'll show you right now. Here, let's go to their website and I'll show you. So if you'll look right here, it's a magnetic hoop. And then, so just on their station, you can pick it. I got the 5.1 fixture, and I did go ahead and add the fixture on, bought an extra fixture for the 6.9 fixture. And so, but anyways, right here, it's 279 bucks. And you'll look at it, the packing list, it comes with the main shirt station, main big station. Comes with the sleeve station, long universal fixture, a short universal fixture, and then of course I ended up getting the actual 5.1 fixture along with it, and of course it came with the actual fixture, so you can get everything lined up in it. And now this set right here does not come with the actual hoop. You gotta buy that separate. Going ahead and just going in to pick the 5.1 hoop that went with the 5.1 station. My machine, you know, it's got the 14-inch spread for this. So I went ahead and, of course, I ordered 2 of these. Yeah, I'll tell you what, they got here and it worked perfectly. I don't have any slippage on it, wrong or bad to say about it. I mean, yeah, these guys, they're not paying me to do this review or anything. Some people need to save some money out there, and this is a good way to do it. So the hoop, when it gets here, it's going to come in. It's going to come with the top and the bottom, and then the actual metal brackets that you order with it, with your machine and everything. They're going to come in the box, but you got to put them on the actual hoops. But they do send you screws and a little screwdriver. It works pretty good. So let's go in here and I'll throw a shirt on. Okay, so here's the station here. I've got it set up for right hand side, right chest, since I've already done all the left chest. So, but these are the hoops right here. I mean, good solid construction, good strong magnets in them. So, you know, like I said, they're from So Talent. They are from China. We're going to save a little bit of money. You can save a lot of money, let's put it that way. But I'll just go ahead and hoop up a shirt real quick. Done. Let's go throw it on the machine. All right, we got you back over here at the machine. Let's always like to reach underneath there, make sure I ain't got no shirt in the way. Yep. Perfect. And so, like I said, no slippage at all. Pop it off like a regular old magnetic hoop. Take it out. So there you go. Final thoughts on it is I'm happy with my decision that I went with. And to get everything in the same package as far as the sleeve station, the universal, small and large, the fixture and the shirt board, you add all that up, it's like $900 of the other people. But, you know, for $279, it's a no-brainer. So, hope that helps anybody out. Have a good day.